Make sure to stay till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and common mistakes people make. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Dodge Challenger. If you have one of those and you're trying to find the fuse for the steering column control module fuse, stay with us. We'll explain where that fuse is located, how to replace it, why it's super important to test fuses, and what scanner we recommend for diagnostics, because many of you requested that information. All of that will be shared in this video today. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a fortune. So let's explain how to fix that now. So V6, V8, Dodge Challenger, it will work on both of these. We'll demonstrate on V6 right here. Automatically most people will think that you actually have, guys, the fuse right here in this fuse box for the steering column control module, but it's not. It's actually, guys, in the trunk. So this Challenger was in a little bit of an accident, but we'll be fixing it here soon. Runs and drives like a champ. Amazing condition, except the rack a little bit. But we'll open the trunk, and right here, guys, if you look, okay, we'll have under that cover for the trunk, you have your spare tire. You're going to have the car battery, and you're going to have, guys, okay, right here the fuse box. How you open it? Right here, you press down and you pull up. We will need to check two fuses, guys, today. One is a 15 fuse, one is a 10 fuse. Well, let's explain why it's super important to test fuses first. These fuses, guys, okay, some of them you may be able to see if they're burnt or not, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell, or you may not think it's a burnt fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. And if you put it back in the fuse box, you spend time and money that you didn't have to, guys, to find a problem that doesn't exist. So always test fuses and relays. I'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test relays and fuses and find out if they're good or bad. So with that being said, which two fuses we need to check? One of them, guys, will be for the steering column module, guys, will be that fuse right here. So 1, 2, 3. That 10 fuse here will be the one that we need to check, and then check this one here as well. Okay, this one could be as well, it's for multiple things, but these two fuses will need to be tested. Now, many of you asked us in the comment section below, guys, to recommend a tool, a scanner for these modern vehicles, because there are so many on the market, and our favorite scanner that we purchased by ourselves, it's not sponsored, guys, scanner, this is our favorite tool that we use daily, the Autel MK808. I'll put the link in the description of the video below if you need to buy one or check the current price and features. It works on almost any car you can think of, and it's a tool that can pay itself off in one-time use. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.